Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for an LLC in Michigan. First, select a unique name for your business that complies with state rules, including the LLC designation. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent who has a physical address in Michigan and is available during normal business hours. Finally, file your Articles of Organization with the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA. This crucial step costs $50 and officially forms your LLC. Your registered agent is vital for receiving legal and state documents, so ensure they maintain a physical street address in Michigan and are available during business hours. While not legally required, creating a comprehensive operating agreement is highly recommended. This internal document outlines your LLC's ownership structure, management responsibilities, and how profits and losses will be distributed, providing essential clarity and protection for your business. After forming your LLC, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is free to obtain online. An EIN is crucial for opening a business bank account, filing federal taxes, and hiring employees. Remember to stay compliant by filing your annual statement with LARA each year. This filing is due by February 15th and has a $25 fee. Once your Michigan LLC is officially formed, open a separate business bank account. This is essential for maintaining your limited liability protection and keeping personal and business finances distinct. Research and obtain any specific state or local licenses and permits required for your industry. And for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Staying organized and compliant helps your business thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.